Hey guys, let's do a quick overview of Gallery B within our portfolio section. So we start off by having our title and the gallery publish date to the left hand side. We also have the option to change out the following black background color. You can also change out the text or the font styles within the following section. Then we have our images to the right. And as we reach the end of our gallery, we have the option to view our next gallery. So this is something cool that you'll find within the following gallery layout. Now, once you reach the very last gallery, there will be no option to view the next gallery. Okay, so that's just something for you guys to keep in mind. In terms of adding images to your lookbook or the mood board, you also have that option here at the bottom. So basically, the image that you want to add to your lookbook, simply make sure that it is centered and then click here and it will be added. Underneath our images, we have a credits area where you can list the venue, you can use who you used for the following photo shoot, stylist, models, etc. So that's pretty much it. Everything's quite simple within the front end. Let's take a look at the back end and preview some of the options here. So we will unfold our gallery settings, and we do have 4 tabs at the top. We do have a mobile option as well, where you can adjust the image height on mobile devices, and you can also adjust the gap between images. So that would be this spacing over here. Next, let's head on over to our specific tab and go over some of the settings. So as a standard option, we do include the ability to adjust the image height within your gallery. The default is 540 pixels, just as we have within Gallery A or gallery number 1. Then we can adjust the image gap, and once again, that's just referring to the spacing between the following images. You can then adjust the arrows color, so depending on the background color, change out the arrow colors as well. Then we have the gallery description and pagination, which is this specific section here. Now, one thing that I did forget to mention is if you're not exactly sure what this area means over here, simply refer to the screenshot above, and here we have section B, gallery pagination, section C, share and lightbox, and then we have section A with our slider settings. So we went over the slider settings. Now we are within our gallery description and pagination. So change out the background color, change out the elements color, and this is referring to the text specifically. And then you can also change out the font styles, change out the label for the next gallery. So once you reach the end of this gallery, you can change out the title over here. And as with any other font setting, we do have the option to change out the font styles. Share and lookbook. This option is pretty simple. Enable or disable the sharing links, and you also have the option to change out the following title and then also the share label font style. And as a default setting, we also have the option to hide the lookbook button, which is located right over here. So if you want to disable this feature for this particular gallery, simply disable that within the backend. And that's pretty much it. So everything here is pretty simple and straightforward. In terms of featured links, this is all pretty simple here as well. Simply click on add link. You add in the appropriate URL into the following field, and that's pretty much it. You can also remove rows if that's required, and as you scroll further down, you can add additional elements to the right column and so forth. So everything's pretty simple and straightforward within the following section. But yeah, so far this is it in terms of the settings for Gallery B. Thanks for watching the following video, guys, and I will see you around later.